New this morning, a Midstate program is making a difference in addressing mental health challenges faced by children and teens in foster care.
And it's the only program of its kind here in the state. Kayla Schmidt joins us now with more. Good morning, Kayla.
Good morning to you, Allie and James. The SOAR program at the Children's Home of York first opened in 2023. It's a residential psychiatric treatment program designed to put the most vulnerable children in a community setting rather than a hospital. At 77 Shoehouse Road in York.
Families are preparing for the holiday season. They're taking care of their children, they're taking care of their families, and we're doing the same thing.
Home is the foundation.
We offer foster care and adoption services. We have a psychiatric residential treatment program. We have a partial hospitalization program. And we also have independent living programs, and we do prevention work.
And family is the goal.
We're here really to provide intensive treatment, intensive time-limited treatment, and the program SOAR really isn't for a typical child. It's a much higher level of care.
Ron Bunce, the president and CEO of the Children's Home of York, says they serve as a link for the county and surrounding area for foster care children that have experienced abuse or neglect with the intent of hopeful reunification with the biological family. Bunce says that is usually the case. If not, he says the child would be put up for adoption, but that is just foster care, and they serve children of all different backgrounds.
For our independent living programs, they could come from multiple counties. They may come from the child welfare system, but they could also come from the juvenile justice system, and they could also come from both.
And when they come to them, no matter where from, Bunce says they are ready to serve with state-of-the-art technology and treatments.
We provide various types of treatment, from trauma-focused cognitive behavioral therapy to dialectical behavioral therapy. We also use a lot of expressive therapies, equine therapy, yoga, dance, music.
Messages of mindfulness and encouragement, even a state-of-the-art sensory room that puts you into any calm world you can imagine. Bunce says putting children into those worlds helps their reality and in turn helps them.
To see stories like that and see kids succeed, it's really pretty incredible. Now, you know, the reality is some children don't. Some children, unfortunately, do end up in other systems, but it's our responsibility while they're here to try to figure out how do we best serve them.
And the community plays a huge part in that as well. Bunce says you at home can help this holiday season.
People can sponsor a child and pay for their meal for a week, for a month, for a year.
He says this is a crucial time for the nonprofit organization and says every donation helps a child's reality, not only through the holiday season, but through their life.
The child welfare system is very challenging for our team, but we also get to see the successes, and we get to walk with our kids along their healing journey, and that's priceless for us.
Allie and James, Bunce says seeing the success stories makes all of that hard work worth it 365 days a year. Reporting live, Kayla Schmidt, ABC 26.